Hey there, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, where we break down the latest tech so you can decide what's worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we're diving into a super interesting product, especially if you're still driving a car that doesn't have a fancy infotainment system. We're talking about a portable wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen from PASLDA, a long name for a pretty clever gadget. This thing promises to give you modern, smartphone-connected features like wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, even if your car is 10+ years old. So, is it a game changer or just another underwhelming screen? Stick around as we explore the setup, performance, pros, cons, and everything in between. And yes, by the end, we'll give it a final score out of 10. What exactly is it? So what is this device? In short, it's a standalone touchscreen display that sits on your dashboard or windshield and acts as a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto receiver. If your car doesn't have a built-in infotainment system, or if yours is clunky and outdated, this lets you upgrade instantly without touching your factory setup. No complex installations, no ripping out your dashboard. It connects to your phone wirelessly and gives you navigation, music, calls, texts, Siri or Google Assistant, all in one place. It even includes a built-in speaker, Bluetooth, FM transmitter, and AUX out, so it'll work no matter what kind of car you're driving. Design and first impressions. The unit we tested features a 7-inch IPS touchscreen, and honestly, for the price, it looks and feels solid. The bezels aren't too chunky, the screen is bright enough to see in daylight, and it comes with both a dashboard mount and a suction mount, depending on where you want to place it. There's a power button on the side, ports for power, audio, and a TF card, and a USB-A for charging other devices. Nice bonus. Setup was super easy. Plug it into the 12V cigarette lighter, power it on, and within a couple of minutes you can pair your phone and be ready to go. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Seamless and wireless. Let's talk about the main attraction, CarPlay and Android Auto. If you've used these systems before, you know how much more convenient they are than using your phone while driving. And with this unit, you get the wireless versions, so your phone stays in your pocket or charging on the side. The interface mirrors what you'd see on a built-in system. Google Maps or Apple Maps, Spotify, YouTube Music, podcasts, calls and text messaging via voice assistant, Siri or Google Assistant at the tap of a button. The connection was surprisingly stable, no major lag or signal dropouts, even when using navigation or streaming music simultaneously. We did notice a tiny delay between phone and screen when using voice commands, but it's nothing that ruins the experience. Display and responsiveness. The 7-inch display is crisp, bright, and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. It's not as vivid or responsive as a high-end smartphone, but for a portable unit at this price, it's more than acceptable. Touch response is snappy. Swiping through menus and tapping icons feels smooth, and there's very little input lag when navigating the interface. For maps and music control, it gets the job done with minimal frustration. Audio, your car, your choice. The built-in speaker on this device is okay. It works. It's decent enough for podcasts or navigation prompts, but if you want full-on music enjoyment, you'll want to pair it with your car stereo. There are 3 main ways to connect audio. Bluetooth to your car stereo if your car has it, AUX cable from the unit to your car's AUX input, FM transmitter, which sends audio to a specific radio frequency. We tested all 3. Bluetooth and AUX gave the best audio quality. FM transmission works too, but there's a bit of static depending on your area. Once connected, your phone's music, calls, and voice assistant go through your car speakers, and that really levels up the experience. Navigation, calls, and voice assistance. One of the best reasons to use CarPlay or Android Auto is hands-free control. This device supports both Siri and Google Assistant, so you can ask for directions, dictate and send messages, make phone calls, control your music, all without touching the screen. Voice recognition works well, though like we mentioned earlier, there can be a half-second delay before your assistant kicks in. As for navigation, we tested both Google Maps and Waze, and they ran smoothly. Turn-by-turn directions were accurate, and the display refresh rate kept up with real-time driving. What we loved. True wireless CarPlay and Android Auto in any car. Super easy setup, no tools or installation required. 7. Bright touchscreen with smooth interface. Multiple audio output options, Bluetooth, AUX, FM. Voice assistant support for Siri and Google. Portable, can move it from car to car. Budget-friendly upgrade for older vehicles. What could be better? Screen resolution is just okay, not HD sharp. Built-in speaker is weak for music. No rear camera support. No Wi-Fi or app integration. It's all via phone. Slight voice command delay. These aren't deal breakers for most people, especially considering how much value this unit brings to the table. But it's worth knowing if you're expecting a factory-grade infotainment system. Who's it for? This portable CarPlay screen is perfect for anyone with an older car that doesn't have built-in CarPlay or Android Auto, people who lease or drive multiple cars and want a flexible solution, rideshare and delivery drivers who need maps and hands-free access, budget-conscious drivers who want modern convenience without dealership prices. Final verdict. So, is this portable wireless CarPlay screen worth the hype? If your car's dashboard feels stuck in the early 2000s and you want a modern, easy-to-install upgrade, this is hands down one of the best bang-for-your-buck gadgets out there. It delivers convenience, safety, and smart features, all in a package that's affordable, flexible, and surprisingly reliable. We're giving this unit a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's not perfect, but for under $150, it gives you everything you need to bring your car into the smart tech era. No mechanic required. If this sounds like the kind of upgrade your car needs, check out the link in the description to see the latest price and full specs on Amazon. No pressure. Just take a peek and see if it fits your driving lifestyle. And if you found this review helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive gadget breakdown. Thanks for watching Modern Gadget Guy, and we'll catch you in the next one.